Well, hello there. Now, in my last video, if you've seen it, you would have seen that I was harvesting my ginger. Took me by surprise because I was expecting something completely different. However, you might be wondering what we did with that ginger. That's coming up in just a moment. First of all, as you can tell, back in the potting shed today. Weather outside is absolutely miserable again. I'm really worried about taking my equipment and it getting damaged outside with all the wind and rain. So I'm inside this shed for the time being. Hopefully soon the weather is going to brighten up. We can get outside and do some real gardening. Back to the ginger. So what did we do with it? Well, I got it inside, I cleaned it all up and I measured it out, and I realised that we had just under 300 grams of perfectly good ginger. Now I thought about what I was going to do with it. Me and my wife are not really much lovers of drinking alcohol. I wouldn't say we're teetotal, we just don't drink much alcohol. So what we decided to do with this collection of ginger is actually turn it into a ginger beer syrup. I found the recipe from the BBC Good Food website. What we did, we took all that ginger, we peeled and chopped it, threw it in a pan with the peel of 2 lemons. We also added 75 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of brown muscovado sugar, and 500 mils of water. We placed it on a bit of a gentle heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar dissolved, and then we just turned the heat up and started to reduce the liquid down to get rid of some of the water to try and leave behind a syrup. Once that was made, once that had reduced down, we left it to cool overnight. Then I ran it through a sieve and I've reserved the liquid, which is our syrup. Now this syrup should keep good in a fridge for about 2 weeks, but of course the big question is, what does it taste like? So it looks a bit like ginger beer, doesn't it? I've added, it's about a 1:4 ratio of ginger beer and lemonade. The important thing is, what does it taste like? It smells like ginger beer, I knew that. Wow, that it's a bit on the sweet side for me, but it tastes good, really nice. Yeah, I like that. That's really, really nice. So yeah, we've made this sort of ginger beer syrup. Yeah, I mean, there's not a huge amount of it, but it'll keep us going for a while, and we will enjoy that as we go on throughout these next few weeks as another supply of our own. Now, there's probably many other things we could have done with that ginger. I'm definitely going to be trying to grow more ginger in the future. Bigger pots, so we can hopefully get more ginger, and hopefully we can get more plants as well. So very, very happy with that. If you've got any recipes that you've done when you've used homegrown ginger, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, guys, you take care. Lovely.